everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be planning in my memory planner for the week of the 23rd through the 29th of December. As you can tell, I've already laid stuff down and some scripts, but these scripts were from a foil bundle, and I have my Plannahannah custom multi here in the glittery gold. So we're just gonna jump right on into it. This kit was from Scribble Prints Co. The foil bundle I used was a gold and a sparkly gold from Scribble Prints Co. And as we go, I'll let you know where all my character stickers are from. So I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit here. Maybe that'll be better. Oops. Okay. Cool. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put December up here at the top. And in my sidebar, I'm going to put that it was Christmas week. And then we're going to start on Monday. So on Monday, first thing I did was I changed my wax melters, which that's from Scribble Prints Co. The coffee and the little coffee cup is from a foil bundle. The little dad and daughter, or dad and kid, is from the Coffee Monsters Co. And I just put DD time, so dad and daughter time. I don't think get that on here. No, I didn't. Okay. I did diamond paint, but I don't have it on here. So I'm gonna leave it blank for now. But that is from Plans. I was listening to In a Holidays by Christina Lauren on audiobook, and the audiobook is from Scribble Prints Co. I was annoyed this day. The little annoyed girl is from Scribble Prints Co. And we watched TV, and that's from Once More with Love. So on Tuesday, the first thing I put is it's Christmas Eve, and that's a little munchkin like scrambling from Once More with Love. I slept in Scribble Prints Co. This is from the foil bundle. Starbucks is from the foil bundle, and that is from Scribble Prints Co. I did bake some cookies, and I believe that's from Scribble Prints Co. as well. This little book here, I was reading Love Light Farms, and that's from Scribble Prints Co. The little car is from the foil bundle, and my grandparents surprised us and came. And then the little fork and knife and fork is from the foil bundle, and my grandma actually made oyster stew. On to the 25th, which is Christmas Day, which I'm marking first. And that's from Once More with Love. We did make some peppermint mocha pancakes, and that's from Once More with Love. This present is from the foil bundle, and we opened up presents. My grandparents got cuddle time, and that's from the foil bundle. We made beef Wellington for dinner. My grandparents stayed for dinner, and that's from Scribble Prints Co. We did have a movie night with my grandparents, or movie afternoon with my grandparents. That's from Scribble Prints Co. These keys are from Scribble Prints Co. And the grandparents left. And then the candle is from Scribble Prints Co. And we just kind of relaxed as a family. So on to the second half. First thing that was marked from the foil bundle was we were sleepy. This is from Scribble Prints Co. and I binge watched some YouTube. This TV is from Scribble Prints Co. And I believe, that was supposed to be triple G. I'm trying to remember. Oh, I think we watched Unicorn Academy. My daughter's obsessed with that show. It was In My Feelings. That's from Plans. The Little Pillow. I did take a nap. And then that evening, I believe we watched Skeleton Crew from the foil bundle. We also watched What If foil bundle. And then I had a bath sticker from Scribble Prints Co. and the foil bundle. On the 27th, my daughter had an appointment, so that's from Scribble Prints Co. We went grocery shopping. That's from Scribble Prints Co. I did get some filming done from the foil bundle. Planning time from the foil bundle. I did have a YouTube binge from the foil bundle and from Scribble Prints Co. I had a nap that's from Scribble Prints Co. We were with the family. That was from Scribble Prints Co. We did watch some Paw Patrol that evening, and that's from Scribble Prints Co. And I know it says 999, but it was supposed to be triple G. I'm Only Human, but we watched some triple G, and the TV was from the foil bundle. So, on to Saturday, we were up early from the foil bundle. We did go and get some boba this morning, and that's from Scribble Prints Co. We did some shopping from Scribble Prints Co. We did laundry. That's from Scribble Prints Co. I had a YouTube binge, and the computer is from Scribble Prints Co. The little pants are from Scribble Prints Co. because we were packing. We cuddled, which cuddle was from the full bundle, and that's from Once More with Love. I took a bath. The candle is from Once More with Love, or Scribble Prints Co. I read, and the open book is from Scribble Prints Co. Okay, on to Sunday. This is the day my mom got here, and the plan is from Scribble Prints Co. I did sleep in from the foil bundle. We folded some laundry. That is from Scribble Prints Co. We did some more laundry, that's from Scribble Prints Co. We had a game night, which the castle is from Scribble Prints Co. We watched Unicorn Academy, and packed is actually, yeah, we'll leave packed there. Because I packed twice, 2 nights, because my husband forgot some stuff. But the unicorn is from Scribble Prints Co. The little cup there, I know it's like a martini, but I'm using it as a wine glass. I had some wine with my mom, so we had some wine time. Forgot to get another pack, but that's okay. I'll just write it in. I got a pen right here. I know I don't like that, but packed. And then this was from the foil bundle, but we went to bed early. So that is how December, the last like Christmas week of December, turned out. I absolutely love it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.